Hello students, I am Kishore Uttalkare working as assistant professor in Department of Chemistry in Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's Professor Dr. N.D. Patil Mahavidyalaya Malkapur, Taluka Shahwadi, District Kolhapur. Today I will discuss ionic bonding in inorganic chemistry. In ionic bonding, I will discuss introduction, then what is meant by ionic bonding, and last formation of ionic bonding. Then I will discuss first introduction of ionic bonding. Matter appears in mainly three forms, namely solid, liquid and gas. It is formed by bond between atoms, ions or molecules. Why do atoms combine and form bonds? Obviously to attain stability. We know that bond is nothing but either attractive or binding force between any two species. Thus, chemical bond can be defined as the attractive or binding force between chemical species such as atoms, ions, and molecules. A chemical bond is only sort of interatomic or intermolecular or interionic attraction which holds constitute together. It may be classified as ionic bond, covalent bond, coordinate bond, metallic bond, and hydrogen bond. The next, what is meant by ionic bonding? The compound containing ionic bond called ionic compound. Ionic compound are solid in state. Ionic compound. Ionic compound is also known as electrovalent compound or electrovalent bond. Initially, it is introduced by Kosil in 1916. It may be defined as, that is, ionic bond may be defined as the electrostatic force of attraction between oppositely charged ions is known as ionic bond. It is also called as electrovalent bond. For example, cation, that is Na plus, and anion Cl minus are strongly electrostatic force of attraction and form NaCl bond, that is ionic bond. This compound is known as ionic solid. During formation of ionic compound, ionic bond, that is energy is released which account the strength of ionic bond. The cation and anion so formed by loss or gain of electron attain nearest inert gas configuration. The number of electrons lost by atom of an element to obtain a cation or number of electron gained by atom of an element to obtain an anion is termed as electrovalency of element. There are two types of electrovalency, namely electropositive valency and electronegative valency. The number of electron lost by atom of an element during formation of cation is known as electropositive valency, and the number of electron gained by atom of an element during formation of anion is known as electronegative valency. The next, formation of ionic bonding. Ionic bond can be formed by three steps, that is according to Kossel, Lewis and Langmuir. The ionic bond formed in stepwise manner can be described as follows. First, formation of cation. The atom of electropositive element lose one or more electron from its valence shell and form cation with stable electronic configuration of nearest noble gas. That is, sodium is electropositive element loses one electron from its valence shell and form sodium ion, that is cation. Then next, formation of anion. The atom of electronegative element gain one or more electron from electropositive element and form anion having electronic configuration of nearest noble gases. For example, chlorine being electronegative element and accept or gain one electron from electropositive element, that is sodium, and form chloride ion. And last, union of cation and anion. The cation and anion so formed are held together by strong electrostatic force of attraction called ionic bond, and resultant compound is known as ionic or electrovalent compound. For example, cation, that is sodium ion, and anion, that is Cl minus ion, are strongly held together by electrostatic force of attraction and form a bond is known as ionic bond, that is NaCl, ionic solid compound formed. Thank you.